is rolling. Yeah, let me grab my cup of tea. Perfect. Hey girls, good morning. This is Pari and welcome back to my channel Explore with Pari. So today I am up with a DIY anti-tan facial care routine. I know it's lockdown, but pretty girls out there, whether you are a working woman, housewife, school or college student, do you think you have enough time for yourself? No, right? So this lockdown, take maximum use of it and groom yourself by following my DIY ideas. Few days before I have posted a DIY hair oil routine. If you want to see that video, then check out my description box. I'll provide the link below. Enough jiba java. Let's move to the video. So let's start with the preparation. So here I am taking 2 empty balls to make mask and scrubber separately. So as of now I am removing one of the ball. So in this ball I am gonna make my mask first. So by using this spoon, I am gonna add 2 teaspoons of gram flour. Gram flour is also known as besan in Hindi. So here I am using 2 teaspoons of gram flour. Make sure if you are making this pack for more than 2 people, you can add more than 2 spoons. But if you are making only for yourself, you can add only 1 spoon, which is more than enough for a person. Now by using the same spoon, I'm gonna add a pinch of turmeric. Now instead of normal turmeric, you can also use kasuri turmeric. Now I'm gonna mix these 2 ingredients properly. So after adding these 2 ingredients, you have to use 1 teaspoon of curd in this dry mixture. Yes, make sure you are mixing all the dry ingredients first before adding any liquid or semi-solid kind of ingredients in it. So by using the same spoon, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of curd in this mixture, and then I'm gonna use few drops of rose water instead of normal water in my pack. So here I'm using a few spoons of this rose water. First you add the mixture. If you feel like the mixture is kind of semi-solid or it is a little bit tight, you can add some more rose water. Make sure your paste is very fine and smooth. So again mixing them a little bit and ta-da! Now let's start with the second preparation, and that is making the scrubber. Now you will be thinking why I'm making the scrubber at the end while I'm going to use the scrubber before applying the mask. Let me tell you why. My prime ingredient in this scrubber is oats. Now if you keep oats with any liquid for a longer period of time, then it will become smooshy. To avoid this, I'm preparing scrubber just before applying it. Now using 1/4 cup of now in this oats, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of raw milk Make sure you are using raw milk instead of boiled milk because raw milk will contain more nutrients in compared to boiled milk. Also, while mixing, if you feel the consistency is thick, then you can add some more raw milk. Now I am going to add honey. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of honey from Patanjali. You can use honey from any brand. Now honey is quite sticky, so make sure you are mixing it properly. So here is my DIY face scrubber. Look how nice it is. Now I am going to apply it all over my face. Before applying, I am going to show you my bare face. By the way, it won't work unless you apply it for multiple times. One more thing, before applying the scrubber, wash your face with mild face wash or cleanser. Also try to cover your hair with any cloth or band. As the scrubber is sticky, it might get stick to your hair and ultimately it will interrupt the whole process. And also don't forget to apply it near to your neck part. The scrubbing part is quite messy, so keep a towel on handy to avoid any kind of mess. So I'm done with my portion and I'm giving the other half to my hubby. He wanted to apply it. Actually it works for both man and woman, so even guys can try it. So keep it like this for 5 to 10 minutes and let it dry. After 5 to 10 minutes, start scrubbing your face. Use very mild pressure. Also, if it gets dried up, you can add some more drops of raw milk. And again, you can start scrubbing. Scrub, scrub and scrub. It will help to exfoliate your dry and dead skin. After scrubbing is done, wash it off with water. Guys, don't apply any soap or any face wash. I'm telling you guys, you will start feeling the smoothness in your skin. Now it's mask time. Now it's time to apply the mask all over your face. Using a flat brush, you can apply the mask. You can also apply the mask by using your finger. Just like scrubber, apply the mask to your neck area also. I'm gonna give the leftover mask to my hubby. Wait for the mask to dry. You can keep the pack only for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't keep it for longer period of time. It will become very hard and you will find it too much difficulty. So soon after 5 to 10 minutes, wash it off. I wash it off, guys, and you will not believe it is so refreshing. It's very nice. I'm feeling so great. So after washing your face, don't forget to apply aloe vera gel over your face because besan will make your face little bit dry. So to avoid that, apply aloe vera gel or some kind of moisturizer. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then give it a very big thumbs up and check out my other video. Stay tuned and connected because this coming week I will come with much more DIY videos. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.